Maids of Honour from the Bureau Home Recipes book, 1956, 19th edition. I shall be using 4 ounces of Bureau flour, 2 ounces of caster sugar, 2 ounces of margarine, 1 egg, 2 tablespoonfuls of milk, some strawberry jam and short crust pastry. Beat the sugar and margarine to a cream. Beat the egg and milk. Now stir in the flour. And beaten egg and milk. Alternately, a little at a time. Now set that aside while you make the bases. Cut into rounds with a 3-inch scone cutter. Place the rounds in a greased patty tin. Now put a little jam into each case. Followed by a teaspoonful of the cake mixture. Like so. Continue until you run out of ingredients. Bake for 20 minutes at gas mark 7, 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 200 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. Nice and jammy. Let's try. Not bad. I give them an 8 out of 10 on a yummy scale.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting